if it is less than 550 liters, one of the opinion of the ulama is that the water will become impure. The water will become impure. Even if the water does not changes its color, taste or smell. You keep this in mind. Another set of the ulama, they say that the water will not become impure even if it is less or more, as long as the properties does not change. As long as the properties does not change. The moment the property changes, whether it is more or less than the kullatain or more than the kullatain, as long as the property does not change, and this is the opinion of Ibn Taymiyyah rahimahullah, Imam Malik, Imam al-Dhahabi, and most of the scholars. You keep this in mind. One of the opinion, they say that less than kullatain, impurity falls. Even if the properties does not change, it is impure and you can't use this water for purification. Second opinion is that whether it is less than 2 kullatain or more than that, as long as the color does not change, the taste does not change and the smell does not change, the water still remains pure. Now we are talking about those things which falls into the water are impure stuff. What are the impure stuff? For example, the defecation. If a human being defecate into the water or urinate into the water will become najis. Alis kadalik, the water will become najis. There are certain things which falls into the water. For example, cow dung or cow urine or camel urine or the goat's urine or anything which are pure. These are all pure. Most of the people do not know that the urine of the cow, they say it's impure. It's not impure, it's pure. It's not najis. So if there is impurity of those animals that we eat, its saliva, its urine, its dung is pure. It's pure. And those animals which we do not eat, the saliva of it, the urine of it, the dung of it is impure. Is it clear now? What are those animals that we eat? Do we eat dog? Do we eat pig? Do we eat lion? Do we eat those animals which are haram for us? No. So as this saliva, all this are impure. Any of these kind of najis or even the najis of a human being falls into the water will become impure. The water will become impure. So this is the opinion, inshallah, keeping these three things in the mind. So what is the main point that we are discussing here is that color, smell and taste. You must have experienced this. Sometimes, when you make wudu, sometimes you will find a full order of this smell of the water or taste of the water. So you should not continue doing wudu with that, or you should not continue doing ghusl with that. Rather, what you have to do, you have to bring another water and make wudu or ghusl from it. So that purifies you. So now we understand. Subhanallah.